Hey everyone, welcome to this week's Refurb Wednesdays. We're just checking up on a 2-bedroom mid-terrace property that converts into a 3-bedroom. One's got an ensuite and 2's got an off-suite. So let's jump inside and have a look. Okay, so everything's at plaster stage now. So the guys are working on external of the property at the moment with regards to the roof, getting all the gutters sorted, etc. So as you can see, everything's pretty much prepped for plastering. So this is going to be bedroom number 1. It's going to have an off-suite upstairs. So we'll jump upstairs now and have a look what that actually looks like. Okay, so coming upstairs. So originally this was the bathroom over here. So it started around about here. What we've done is obviously partitioned everything off. The guys have done a fantastic job of this. Obviously everything's been started plastering upstairs. We're working upstairs, going downstairs like we normally do. So this is going to be an off-suite to the bedroom downstairs. And then just over here is going to be another off-suite for the bedroom to the rear at the top of the building there as well, okay? So coming towards here, obviously we've got everything all plastered over here. So this has all been rebuilt, strengthened up, this wall. First fix on electrics, plumbing is all done. Obviously you've got to make sure they're done before plastering anyway. But yes, we've got plaster just carrying on here, all the prep work's done. And here is obviously the main bedroom with the off-suite. Now generally we would like to do everything en suite. However, in this case, because we're limited on space and also budget as well, is just trying to make things more efficient. It's trying to get all the pipe work out of the house in the most efficient possible ways we can to obviously lower costs down because obviously price increase going up, etc. But this is going to be ensuite to this bedroom, nice sized double bedroom. We haven't had to knock through any walls, put any like strengthening beams or concrete lintels in. It's nice and simple. So if you guys actually want to profit from UK property, but you actually just want to have completely hands off, you don't want to go through the hassle of dealing with refurbs, dealing with rental income issues or anything like that, then simply just head to engineeryourwealth.com where we actually can get you into property without the hassle of property and simply get a return for your cash every single month and start beating the banks. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and also like this video, and I'll see you next week on Refurb Wednesdays.